Take a look out the window. Spirit goes up.
Good morning, Anna, and welcome to your weekend workout routine. How do I find the motivation to get up so early in the morning? Well, basically, ginagawa ko lang is siniisip ko yung mga bagay or isang bagay na I'm really excited about or nilulook forward ko na gawin that day. It can be as simple as working out or trying new food or just eating in general. Or maybe plan and edit a video. Pwede ding as simple as getting excited to go to the gym kasi lately namimiss ko na yung feeling na hinahanap-hanap ko yung pakiramdam after mag-workout.
Although you are sunlight, you stay in the shade. I'm dancing in a corner just to get a space, cause I wanna believe that
Those little happy things that happen throughout my day, and that's what I want to focus on to get my day started. Always something good.
I know it's just a recap, but I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back. Maybe it's time to get home. Think that it's going a little too far, even after all the white noise. Oh, I still wanted to restart.
Today is Saturday. And of course, kailangan hindi mawala sa araw ko ang pagpunta sa gym, especially today is a weekend. I'll have more time to spend there and focus more on working out kasi wala akong iisipin na may work pa ako. To give you a glimpse, my schedule kapag Saturday is leg day. Kasi mas gusto ko mag-focus sa legs ko. I don't know, pero favorite ko din i-workout ang legs. Some of the benefits kasi includes burning more calories. It says that it is one of the largest muscles in our body. So, meaning, bigger muscles requires more energy. Kaya our body will have to burn more calories. To give you guys idea, ito yung full schedule ko sa buong week. Monday is legs with hamstring and quad focused. Tuesday is push day. Wednesday is rest day. Thursday is legs pero more on glute focused. Friday is pull day. Saturday is full leg day. And Sunday is cardio and abs. Let's proceed to our workout. But before that, stretching muna tayo. This is important as we need to prepare our body for the exercise. It can also prevent injury, decrease soreness kapag nag-workout na tayo, and for me, mas nag-improve yung performance ko rather than working out agad. For the first workout is seated leg curl. This is one of the workout for hamstring isolation. Isolation exercises can be crucial on bodybuilders, athletes, or anyone who wants to work a specific muscle group. Kaya siya tinawag na hamstring isolation kasi it is mostly focused on the hamstrings. The seated leg curl can be an important exercise to prevent hamstring injuries and help you achieve your fitness goals. For the second workout is squats. I'm using Smith machine. The obvious muscles targeted are in the lower body, more on sa quads, hamstrings, legs, inner thighs, or glutes. Pero, while working those muscles, natatarget din niya yung core natin, which is kinda nice, diba? But syempre, iba pa din yung nag-workout tayo ng pang-core talaga. Third workout is hip thrust. One of my favorite workout kasi focus siya sa glutes and yun yung tinatarget ko and want ko i-build pa. This exercise naman strengthens the muscles in the hips, glutes, as well as quads. It can also help stabilize the pelvis, lower back, and knees, making it ideal for targeting low bone density in the hips and femur bones, aligning the knee joints, and promoting strong glutes and better balance. Next workout is good morning. Ito naman is for the hamstrings din. It is kind of like a mix of squat and the deadlift. Parang Romanian deadlift ka pero nasa shoulders mo yung weights, same as kapag nagsusquats ka. It targets the back din, glutes and quads. Some of its benefits includes better hip mobility, lower risk of injury in the hamstrings, syempre build more muscle and improves functional strength. My last workout for today is leg press. The leg press machine allows you to get some of the benefits of a barbell squats para sa quads natin. One benefit of the leg press machine is that you can emphasize different muscles by varying your foot position. It builds strength in these muscles and you can use it to overcome imbalances. Ayun nga, you can also use this for glute focus press or if gusto mo sa inner thighs or calves. It will just vary depending on your foot replacement.
For you are sunlight, you stay in the shade. I'm dancing in the corner just to get space, cause I wanna believe that. I get lost, you go with your day. Slowly getting closer, but you're moving away. I know it's just a recap, but I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back.